Hello students, 1.2. Onto the summit, we reach the top by Tenzing Norgay. In this lesson, our writer Tenzing Norgay shares his personal experience while climbing Mount Everest along with one of his companions, Edmund Hillary. The lesson is so interesting, it gives us the idea how it is difficult to climb Mount Everest, but their willpower, their determination was so strong, and that's why both of them overcome all the hindrances, all the problems, and the difficulties while climbing the Mount Everest, and they reach the summit of Mount Everest. Our lesson started when Tenzing Norgay, our writer, started to climb Mount Everest. On that particular Friday, Tenzing determined to reach the top. He didn't afraid of death as his determination, as his willpower was so strong. And that's why he didn't afraid death on that particular day. Edmund Hillary was his companion. When both of them started their journey, Colonel Hunt, their leader of the expedition, gave him three flags. Those of Britain, United Nations, and Nepal. Colonel Hunt asked him to put these flags at the peak when they reached the top. Tenzing carried Indian flag also. After 1 hour of steady going, they cut across from the south face. See, first of all, when they started their journey, it was very easy one. But afterwards, see, after 1 hour, they started up the west side where they had to pass up a steep line of rocks. That was slow and difficult. It means that their speed became slow as the way was so difficult, as the route was so difficult for them. But their determination was so strong. After a big struggle, they were just 60 or 70 feet afar from the top. During the last 50 feet from the peak, Hillary and Tenzing were moving about 20 feet apart. See, when they reached close to the top, the distance between two of them was just 20 feet apart. Both of them were tied together with rope. That rope was a symbol of togetherness. See, having failed for 6 times, finally Edmund Hillary and our writer Tenzing Norgay reached the top. It was so happy moment. Here the writer becomes so happy. Here our writer admitted that one could not reach the top alone. See, it was the journey of two of them. One couldn't reach alone at the top of the Mount Everest. Many times Tenzing had been asked who was first, but both of them never think of it because when they reached the top, the difference between them was just 20 feet, and that's why there was no question in their mind who was first. For them, both of them were first. Understand? So they made a pact. Pact means, I told you, pact means an agreement. They made an agreement between these. That agreement was means both of them signed that agreement in the office of Prime Minister of Nepal. Both of them agreed that they reached the top together. When they reached the top, Tenzing first have a sense of gratitude to God. First of all, he offered a silent prayer to God. He placed the offerings to God. See, his youngest daughter, her name is Nima. Nima had given him biscuits, candy, and her little blue colored pencil to offer God. So, when Tenzing Norgay reached the top, First of all, he offered all these things to God. Then he got out the flags to place there. Hillary took pictures as Tenzing held the flag up. Then he wanted to drink water there, but he couldn't as the water had frozen. So he ate some biscuits and offered some to Hillary. They were there on the top nearly for 15 minutes. They waited there, or they spent there 15 minutes there on the top, and afterwards they started their next journey, their return journey. The next thought came in his mind, how to get down. Now they wanted to start their return journey, but now they couldn't understand how to get down, because climbing down is more difficult and dangerous than climbing up. He was walking behind Hillary. So Tenzing Norgay followed Hillary, and they started their returning journey. Afterwards, they reached the Camp 9. There, they boiled some snow to make lemon water and drink it. Then turned towards Camp 8, from where they can see people. Now they reached towards the Camp 8, and from there they can see people. Noise and Liu came to meet them with tea and coffee. They became so happy to see them. So, understand? So it is what our lesson is, what Tenzing Norgay's experience, how they reached the summit of Mount Everest. See, to climb Mount Everest is not an easy task, but Tenzing, along with the company of Hillary, made it possible to reach the summit. So this is what our lesson is. Understand? Just read the lesson twice, thrice. The language used by our writer is so simple, and that's why while reading the lesson for twice, thrice, you can understand what the lesson is about. It is just the writer's journey, his experience, how to climb Mount Everest. Okay, thank you.